Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel guys. This is Erica Love Simple Cooking guys, and today guys I'm gonna make some green juice. So I'm gonna make some green juice with some kale, celery, ginger and oregano. So first guys, I'm gonna load my sausages juicer with my kale, two different kind of kale guys. So let's see how the sausages do with vegetables. Close it. Right, guys, I'm gonna put some ginger. I'm gonna put some celery. Let's see this rice. Cook rice is the same. Rice is very dry. So it's very dry.